some of the things that we've heard from out west and even in Ontario, where sure our sales are down about 40%. This is based off a very busy year. It was a record-breaking year, I think, all through Canada. So it was pretty much expected that we wouldn't maintain that pace. 40% may be a significant decline, but price continues to climb, and we're up 11.7% here. How do you explain that to people that are, on the news and in the newspapers with these reports about a 12% decline in price or a 20% decline in price?
Well, I think the way we look at it, I mean, Ontario, it's really hard for Halifax to compare its marketplace, to an area like Toronto. But one thing that we've seen is increased demand. So our immigration is growing here in Halifax, and not just foreign immigration, but we're also looking at immigration within Canada, other provinces coming here to Halifax. So I believe that the demand that's still there for homes, and it's still driving the prices up. For us, when we had the big boom in our market there, the first 3 months of the year, we were calling it a correction to our pricing structure that we haven't seen in about 10 years. So we called it a 10-year correction. We were modestly, 3 to 7% per year, very modest. And, when you look at some of the major centers across Canada, we just weren't keeping up pace with the bigger cities. So, snapshot to now 2021, 2022, we've now seen prices rise. And like I say, to say that our average sale price in Halifax is $5.45 is still a very reasonable price when you compare it to some of the bigger cities in Canada. And, I think, to answer that question directly, Asif, about interest rates having an impact, I think we will see that as time goes on. A lot of the sales, a lot of what we're seeing right now closing that are sales that have taken place a few months ago. So now we're trying to look as the months go on. Interest rates now are looking like they may go up again now towards the end of October. So there's some hesitancy from some people to basically jump into a home until they see what the Bank of Canada is going to do. But overall, though, we have maintained our housing prices. And like I say, we've seen an increase year over year. So we're bucking the system. But at the same time, I think it's just a matter of timing to see how much of an impact these interest rates will have moving forward.